Okay, so now we're going to set a start location for if we're filling from the bottom up. Okay, so basically this is a little different than if we're just hoovering over and dropping down the nozzle, filling and going to the next bottle. This is if the nozzle is going actually down and raising as it's filling. So what we want to do is set where we want the nozzle to stop filling. So to do that, I'm going to put a feed rate of 2000, a distance of 2, and use the Z- button. And basically put your nozzle in your bottle to where you want it to stop filling. So I'm going to say, because this is a short nozzle, I want it to stop filling there. And what I'll do is go to configure start location and set your start location there. Make sure it's always the bottle in the far right corner. And now what you want to do is your nozzle down distance. Your nozzle down distance is now where you want to start filling inside your bottle. So we configured the start location for where we want it to stop. Now we're going to set it for where we want it to start. And to do that, we're going to put this is set right here in the nozzle down. So if we went down 10, we can actually manually do this now. We could go down 10 and see if that's where we want it to start. So I'm going to go down 10 on the nozzle. 2, 4, 6, 8. And 8's about as far as we could go on that nozzle. So obviously 10's not going to work. We would have crashed. So I'm going to actually set my nozzle down distance for 6. And then a nozzle up clearance is always usually a default of 10. And then so now what we could do is everything's set for 6. So I'm going to basically go up my 8 that I went down. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And we could test it the same way you do on the other ones. We put our fill count to 1. Make sure you don't have any fill volume, any reverse fill. I got my nozzle down distance as 6. And then if I hit start cycle, he's going to go down and fill up. And I'll kind of show you that now. I'll put a fill volume in here of, we'll say 50. And what this does is if I hit start cycle, see, it's going to slowly go up as it's filling. And just to recap, when you set your start location, you want to set that start location for where you want that bottle to end. And then your nozzle down distance is where you actually want it to start filling inside that bottle. And what that'll do is, if I hit start cycle, make this work like this. You could see actually when it's done filling, it's going to go up 10. And that way it's cleared from the bottle. If you have any questions on this, please let us know at www.rockymountainplc.com. We'd be more than happy to help you out. Thank you.